Hey everyone, Atif here. I've always said tablets are like SUVs. Sometimes you need a truck, a laptop, for heavy lifting, or a sedan, a phone for portability. But when you need something in between, that's where tablets shine. The problem? Mid-range tablets have to juggle so many use cases. Travel companion, kid's toy, design tool, even a laptop replacement. So how do you trim down a flagship without losing what makes it great? Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. Yes, the name's a mouthful. At $649, it's half the price of the flagship Tab S10 Ultra. But does it strike the right balance? Let's break it down by real-world use cases. 1. Media and casual use. First up, movies, browsing, and bedtime scrolling. The Tab S10 FE Plus sports a 13.1-inch LCD, up from 12.4 inches last gen, with a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's smooth enough for daily use, but there are compromises. LCD means weaker blacks and slight shadowing at the edges, noticeable next to OLED phones. 800 nits brightness is fine indoors, but outdoors? Glare will be a struggle. Bezels are chunky, but honestly, I like them. Gives you a place to grip without touching the screen. Speakers are decent, firing from the top edges so your hands won't muffle them. Not flagship tier, but good enough for Netflix. 2. Travel and secondary display. Next, frequent flyers or grandparents using this for crosswords, news, or as a portable second screen. Battery life? A massive 10,000 milliamp hours, bigger than the Pixel tablet or OnePlus Pad. Paired with Samsung's efficient, but slow, Exynos 1580 chip, it'll last all day. Thin and light. Just 6 millimeters thick and 664 grams, about 1.1 pounds. Easy to toss in a backpack. Samsung ecosystem perks. Need a second display for your Galaxy laptop? Done. Mouse and keyboard seamlessly switch between devices. 3. Creativity and notes. Now for artists, students, or handwritten notes. The S Pen is fantastic. Low latency, great accuracy. Palm rejection works flawlessly. New math solver. Write 5 + 3 = and it'll auto-calculate. Handy for students, though it's basic, no advanced calculus here. Design workflow, sketch over photos or markup documents. The slippery glass surface takes getting used to, but it's versatile. 4th laptop replacement? Can this replace your home computer? Samsung's DeX mode helps. It turns the tablet into a PC-like interface with windowed apps and a taskbar. But the Exynos 1580 lags. Behind rivals, like the iPad Air's blazing M1. Apps open slower, multitasking isn't instant. Camera placement is smart, centered for video calls in landscape mode. 13-megapixel rear lens is fine for scanning documents or quick sketches. Quick camera test. Front-facing, 4K video, ultra-wide. Great for calls, but don't expect cinematic quality. Rear camera, mostly for scanning. No one's shooting vacation photos with a tablet, right? 5. Fieldwork and gaming durability. IP68 rating means it'll survive dust and spills, but no LTE/5G hotspot from your phone. Gaming, not this tablet's strength. The Exynos chip struggles with graphics-heavy titles. Versus the competition. Why pick this over an iPad Air? Price. The similarly sized iPad Air costs $100 more. DeX mode. iPad OS can't match Samsung's desktop-like flexibility. Ecosystem. Galaxy laptops plus tablets play way nicer together than Macs plus iPads. Yes, I said it. But iPads have better app support and faster chips. It's a trade-off. Conclusion. The Tab S10 FE Plus isn't perfect. I wish Samsung had prioritized a better display and faster chip over other cuts. But for $649 you get great battery life. S Pen included DeX for laptop-like work. 7 years of updates, it's a solid do-it-all tablet. Just don't expect flagship performance. What do you think? Would you buy this over an iPad? Drop a comment. And if you want a deep dive versus the iPad Air, let me know. I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.